I hope you didn't have any trouble with the quadratics factoring, but I'm going to show you the examples just in case you did. Remember, we're trying to find the factors of 18 that would make 9. So our factors of 18 are 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6, and it looks like 3 and 6 could make 9. Another thing that you need to remember is if you have a negative here and a positive here, that means both of these are going to have to be a minus in order to make a negative in the middle and a positive at the end. So we're going to have a minus 3 and a minus 6. So we're just going to set both of those equal to 0. X minus 6 equals 0, and add 3 to both sides. This answer is going to be 3, and this answer is going to be 6. So our points would be 6, 0, and 3, 0. Next, this one's a little different. Notice that we only have 2 terms here, and since this is a squared, we recognize or should recognize that 64 is also a perfect square. So this is a difference of 2 squares. So these are set up just like this. We have an n and an n. One's got to be a plus and one's got to be a minus to cancel out the middle term. And the square root of 64 is 8. So when we set both of those equal to 0, we're going to get an 8, 0, and a negative 8, 0 are going to be your 2 roots once these two are set equal to 0. I skipped number 2 because it was a lot like number 1. And this one, number 4, it also looks a little different. Notice that we can factor out a b out of both parts. So a b out of b squared is still a b, plus, and a b out of 5b is a 5. Now we have 2 parts. Set both of them equal to 0. X plus 5 equals 0. So this one's just going to be b equals 0. So it would be 0, 0. And this one would be b equals, this was a plus, bring it over, it's going to be a negative 5, 0. And those are your 2 points. Those are also called your zeros or your roots or your x-intercepts. Hope this helped.